factoring trinomial with leading coefficient. Let's do it. So let's factor 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. I will multiply the 2 into the 9. And I will end up with x squared plus 3x minus 18. We will keep track of the 2, this one that we multiplied into the 9 here. Now let's factor this. Two numbers that multiply to give me negative 18 and add to give me positive 3. The two numbers are x, 6 and 3. They multiply to give me 18, but they need them to multiply me to give me negative 18. So one of them gonna be negative. However, when they add them, you're supposed to get positive 3. So therefore, I'm gonna make the 6 positive and the 3 minus. That way, positive 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. And when you add them, you get positive 3. Now, as I said, we have to remember this 2 that we multiplied into the 9. Now, I have to divide both of these numbers by the 2 that we multiplied into the 9. And therefore, my final answer would be x plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. And since this 3 doesn't divide by 2, you just stick the 2 right in front of the x there, and this will become 2x minus 3. Way faster than decomposition. I hope you like it and you could use it so you could save some time on your tests. Like the video, hit that like button, comment if you like, but most importantly, subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you. Bye-bye.